Today we're test driving the all-new Honda CIvic Coupe. This one is the touring model and we're going to do a fuel economy test to see how well it performs. So as you can see right now, our fuel range is rated at 573 kilometers on this full tank of gas. And also we've just reset our trip meter at the bottom, which is why it reads 0 down there for A and for B. So what we'll be doing is we'll be driving this over the week and see how many kilometers we get on this full tank of gas. We may just use a half tank of gas, or we may even use a full tank of gas depending on how much driving we get done, but we will estimate our fuel use as well as our potential fuel range based on that in the real world. After that, we'll hit up the gas station and we'll see how much it costs to fill up to a full tank. So stay tuned and we'll have some numbers for you. So we just spent the week testing the Honda CIvic Coupe and we have some numbers here that we'd like to share with you. First, let's go over the number of kilometers that we've driven. So as you can see, we've completed 453 kilometers and we're almost down to having no gas at all. My gas light's on, as well as my fuel bar is at its lowest. Also, you'll notice here that our fuel range is left at 21 kilometers before the car either completely shuts off or goes into some kind of reserve mode. So we're down to the bare minimum in terms of gas, and like I mentioned, we finished 453.7 kilometers. Our average fuel economy is 7.8 liters per 100 kilometers, and that's because I've done a good balance of city and highway driving. I probably spent around 40% in the city and 60% in the highway. So that should give you an idea of how my fuel efficiency has been as per my driving. If I did a lot more highway driving, I would expect that number to drop to around 7.2 to 7.5 liters per 100 kilometers. My driving conditions have been pretty basic. I haven't had the heating or air conditioning on in the car at all, and as you can see, the weather outside has been pretty cooperative. We'd had some mild rain now and then, but aside from that, nothing serious. So what we'll do now is we'll head up to this gas station right here and fill up a full tank of gas and see how much that full tank costs. So as you can see, it costs us $44.44 to fill up 42 liters of gas at a fuel cost of $1.05 per liter.